Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matt, and before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Right now in this review, I'm going to be doing a Textbot Ava review. Alright, now this is an automated AI system that automatically sends out text messages to your leads and your client. Now the good thing about this program, it works in any niche. Alright, and then like I said, you can send out automated text messages by just simply sharing your link, which is down here, or you could share a simple phone number. Alright, and we do have a lot of tools in the back office that I could show you right now. Some resources here, and then I'll show you payment proof as well from other members. Alright, you get videos here. Email swipe copies, solo ad swipe copies for solo ads. Alright, now I'm going to show you a little proof that people are making money off of this. Alright, we got Jeff Reese. He's a big marketer in the company. He's made over $4,100. Alright, we have another person here, Eric. He's made over $40,000. Right, and he writes, you must have a tunnel vision if you want to become successful with this business opportunity. So he is correct on that. Now let's go on. This is another one of the marketers. He has training in the back office. All right. Now another member here, Troy. He made another $100 in Textbot AI. So once again, this is just a simple thing you have to do, just sharing a number to clients. Like I said, anyone to make money online niche, weight loss niche. This works in any niche, unlike some programs which is just focused on one niche. You can just set this up in your back office to send out text messages, and you could still use email marketing too. What I do is mix in email marketing with this and in my capture page. All right. Now, if you are interested, go ahead and click on the link below. All right. And thank you for viewing my channel.